Ever wish your phone could keep more apps open without closing them in the background? Let's boost it with RAM Plus. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Device Care. Tap Device Care. Now tap Memory. Scroll down the screen. Tap RAM Plus. Here, make sure to turn on the switch and then select how much virtual memory you want. There are 4 options available. 2 GB, it saves storage but less background app support. 4 GB, it's balanced for most users. 6 GB, it's good for multitasking. And 8 GB, it's maximum virtual RAM for heavy use. As the example, you can set it to 6 GB if you often switch between game, streaming, and social apps without wanting them to reload. It gives you more background power while still keeping enough storage space free. A pop-up appears to inform you that your phone needs to restart to change the amount of internal storage used as virtual memory. Tap Restart to confirm your selection. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.